Good morning, students. Hope all of you are doing well. So today we will start another chapter, that is Microsoft Excel, and I know that you have done Microsoft Excel in class 6 and class 7. So again in class 8 you have something that is more advanced than that. So today, before starting the advanced part, we will do a revision of Microsoft Excel, what you have done in the previous classes, and along with that I'll also give you some tips and tricks of Microsoft Excel to make your task more easier. Okay, so let's get started. Okay students, now we will here create a table, simple table. Now all of you know how to create a table, isn't it? So here I will write name in the first column, second column I will write class, third column I will write roll number, fourth column I'll write address, and fifth column I will write contact number. Okay students, now as you see that contact number is not coming in this small space. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to make the cells bigger or the columns bigger. So how to do? There are two ideas. First, what we can do, we can just drag it and make one column bigger. But there is a problem. See students, I am doing here, I am dragging this and making the column bigger, but the problem is it is not looking good, isn't it? It is not looking good. Why not looking good? Because the last column, it is of more space, while the other columns are of smaller space, so it's not looking good. So what we can do, we can just arrange all the columns with equal size and safe. Okay, without dragging that, we can without dragging, we can just make the space bigger. How to do that? You have to select the table, the space of the table. Okay, see, like this. Then I'm giving here border to make it more prominent for you. After that, under the home tab, means this is the home tab, you will get an option. Okay, the option is what? Format option. You will see format option in the home tab, this one. Click there, and there you can get another two option. What? Row height and column width. Row height means the height of the row, how much of how much height we need the cell, and column width means of how much length we need the cell. Okay, so here row height, before it was given 15 and we will increase it. Okay, you can make it 30 or to make it of double size, like that. So whatever is necessary, whatever you want, you can do. I am writing here this, so this much space 45 I have written, and then again I want to increase the length. Okay, so for that I'll go to column width, and then I will put there suppose 20, you can put like that, 10 or 20 or 30, how much of length you want. I am putting here 20 and it is giving this much. Now here students, you can see all the columns are of same size and it is looking very good, isn't it? Now you can fill up the table, but I think I need a little more space in the columns, not the this one, not the height but the length. Okay, so I will increase a little bit of length again by following the same steps. Okay, before that let us make the column names bigger in size. Let us make it bold, and let us also give a color to it. Okay, you know how to do this, isn't it students? So again I told you that I need a more length, so I'll be following the same steps to give it more length. Yes, now it is good to write here the names, class, roll number, address and contact number. We will fill up the table. Okay, so I'll be filling up the table. like in place of name I am writing here Rajiv, Baisha. Then class I will write 7, roll number I will write 1, then address I will write Jalukbari. Then I'll write a contact number. So I'm just giving any I'm giving, but you write a proper contact number while doing the practical. Okay, then next name. So like this we will fill up the table. See, my table is completed. I'll enter only this, and then now I'll make the text a little bit bigger, and I will also give color to the heading, to the column names. Yes, see, my table is already done. Yes, but something is missing, isn't it? What is missing? The title or the heading of the table is missing. The name of the table is missing. Fine. Now we have to give that. All right. But where I will give, because there is no space on the top of the table. Yes. So there is a way. The way is that we have to enter a row on the top, isn't it? For that you click on the first row, that the top row, because above that row we want to insert another row, isn't it? So on the top row we will click, right click, and then you have to just click on insert. See, one row has been inserted. Now again we will follow the same step. To make this cell bigger, we need now height. Yes, so row height you give and it's bigger. Now next we will click on margin center to merge all the columns, and then we will write here the table name, isn't it? So what I will write? I will write contact list. I'll write here contact list. Okay, of students. Fine. Now I will make it bigger. I'll make it bigger, and I will also give a color to it. Okay, students. Okay, now our table is completed, isn't it? But students, I'll show you something more interesting now. Suppose after completing the table, I just remember that I do not need to write this name column. Instead of that, I need two columns like first name and last name. Students, you know that in forms, while filling forms and tables, we used to have nowadays what? First name and last name. So I need it like that. Okay, so for that there is a option, I'll show you. But first of all we need to insert two columns. Okay, see, I'm inserting columns. Yes, again I am telling how to insert. You click and select the cell, okay, where you want to insert the column. Click on insert and click on shift cell right, then click on OK. Fine. Now inserting new rows. So two rows inserted. We need two rows. Why? Because in the first row we need to write first name, and in the second row, two columns. In the first column first name, in the second column we will write second name, okay, or last name. So now what to do? You select the names, first name, second name, third name. You select all the three names. Then go to data. Then go here text in column. Then choose here delimited. By default it will be delimited only. Then click on next. Then out of these delimiters you will have to select space, because we have given here space in between the name. Yes. Then click on next. And then we have to just change the destination address. Can you see here $A, $3? So A and 3 is the destination address of this Rajiv Boysa. Yes, from the starting name. Now we want to give we want our answer from starting in the which cell? B3. So we will change the address into B3. From there our answer will start from A. Don't delete the whole destination address. Just A you change into B. Rest $sign and all will be same. Then click on finish and you will get the answer here. Yes. Now first row we will delete, select it and delete it. Yes. Now on the top you write first name, okay, and last name. Okay, students. Okay, students, so I hope that you have understood everything. Whatever I taught you, I showed you. And if you have any doubts regarding this, you can ask me, you can contact me. So for today, I am ending my class here. Thank you.